What originally inspired me to take a course with Berkeley Executive Education was I wanted to build my business skills. What made Advanced Executive Presence unique was that it was a kind of a boot camp. They brought us in and made us start doing things hands-on, getting in front of others, being uncomfortable right from the start. So it really packed it in the 3 days. What we could learn and how we could have that experiential learning was really valuable. My biggest takeaways from Advanced Executive Presence have been really just being uncomfortable and being okay with that, getting up there, having a presence, being there, bringing your full self, your unique ways of doing things to your environment and sharing that with your team because it will draw them in and make anything you say much more impactful. So I'm really excited to take this with me as I go back to work. I've met a group of really inspiring people here through my courses. All these different perspectives really help you to think through more fully what you're doing, and having those connections and be able to check in and keep each other honest is great. Taking Berkeley Exec Ed courses has really impacted my career, making me more confident, giving me hands-on experience in different situations, so I'm not nervous taking those on. And because I've been coming throughout a longer-term program, I've been able to, as I develop, take new classes that meet my needs at that time. And so it's kind of been able to grow with me.